Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kamura. Yeah, to my subscribers, welcome again. To my new subscribers, welcome home. And if you are here and you have not subscribed, please guys, subscribe, support my channel by subscribing and watching and sharing. Okay, yeah, in this video I'm cooking my diet food. Yeah, this is my diet food, guys. I'm in diet. Don't be shocked why I'm doing this. No oil, you are not seeing oil, you are just seeing a pan with some potatoes and water. Yeah, this is what I eat. Doing diet, it's not a joke, guys. Yeah, stick till stay there, watch my video till the end, see how I do my cooking. Yeah, this is my part of my cooking on diet food without oil, guys. Yeah, guys, let me remind you, if you are there, you have not subscribed, please guys, subscribe, share my video, support my girl. Yani, let us grow together, see us growing together. Okay, yeah guys, stick till the end. Yeah, stick till the end, make sure you watch till the end. Okay, yeah, let's go back to the music as we continue cooking.